Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my all-time favorite copycat Big Mac sauce in a low-calorie version. Guys, this means for you are going to indulge in delicious sandwiches, wraps, and burgers with lower calories. Let's get to work. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description box down below. For this recipe, you're going to need a low-calorie mayo. You're also going to need finely chopped pickles. Next, you're going to need finely chopped onions, a vinegar, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and white pepper. A little bit of paprika, ketchup, low-calorie version, mustard, and that's it. Let's get to work, guys. Guys, you might ask yourself, why do we need that many ingredients for a sauce? Believe me, it's worth it. Because all of our dishes are made actually delicious because of the sauces and dressings. So making your own dressing with a lower fat content and the lower sugar content will make it easy for you to balance out your diet while still indulging in delicious food. So you're going to mix all the ingredients into one bowl, give it a nice mix till everything is nicely combined, and then you have your meal prep for the entire week. You can use it for wraps, for sandwiches, even for salads if you thin it out a little bit with water or with a little bit of milk. Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Guys, do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button because this is helping me to grow this channel and to make more good content for you. So hit it. Guys, the reason why I love this recipe so much, it's because it tastes exactly the same. Like you would not know that this is a low-calorie version. It's really creamy and melting on your tongue. Very, very, very nice recipes. I made also a Big Mac comparison video, which I will link down below. And I made actually an entire playlist with Big Mac. So go down and check out the description box. You're going to find definitely more delicious recipes. Here I'm actually preparing a low-calorie version of a Big Mac burger with a salad bun. So we left out the buns. We took here the salad buns. Go down in the description box and check out the video. It's very, very delicious. These kind of hacks where we swap some of the ingredients and put in the low-calorie version are the key for a healthy diet. You can just easily maintain a very nice physique and a healthy body with just trying to focus during the week, or let's say 80-20 in general, on healthier, lower calorie versions, still delicious, and then having once in a while with family, friends, and in business meetings, the other versions. And these are as delicious as the other recipes. Like you will not taste the difference because the meat is fresh and juicy. The sauce is super creamy. Everything is at point because all the ingredients are fresh. You made it at home and you will just feel amazing. Look at how much sauce I'm putting here on these buns. Amazing. I can't wait to try these. Now we add a little bit of love on top. And there you go. We are having the perfect bunless burger with the low-calorie Big Mac sauce. Time to try it.
Cheers. سلامت‌ترین بیگ مکی که تا حالا خوردم.
Yeah, it's the healthiest version. Let's go. Mom, danke, dass du da warst.
Okay.
Shab bekhair. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.